G'day all. Today we're going to put the inlets onto the side of the bus so we can fill up the fresh water and also the recirculating shower. So I'll show you what I'm putting on and what I've done so far, and then we can get stuck into it. So these are what we're putting on. That's for the recirculating shower. It's just a inlet and a breather, and the other one is for the fresh water. It's got the inlet to fill up the fresh water, it's got a breather, and it's also got a connection for city water. So that's the other one I'm putting on today. I've already made templates up to give me the correct sizes for the cuts, so I've done that both for the fresh water and the recirculating shower. Now where this is going to go on the bus is on the back panel. So there's the back door opening, and this panel here is where it's going to go on. As you can see, that's where all the hoses come for that, and they're going to be coming through on the back here. So I'm going to measure down to get the right spot on here. I'm going to level it off, mark it out, and put some tape around to protect it when I'm cutting it out. And that's what we're going to do now. So I'm going to get stuck into it. Okay guys, I've cut the holes for the inlet connections. That's what they look like. I haven't glued them or done anything yet. I just wanted to show you what I've done. Is I taped all around it, measured it up, then I cut it with the jigsaw. I put two holes, one here and one here, and just ran the jigsaw up either way. On the jigsaw I've put some masking tape on it to protect the paint. Also around there I've measured it from here down to make sure it's level. Also had a look on the level, which is level, which is good, and that's what they look like. So from the inside we've got two big holes in there now, and what I'm going to do is I've got some timber that I've cut out that I'm going to use and liquid nail to the back here and drill my pilot holes through here. Once the liquid nails has cured with the wood on it, then I'll put Sikaflex around the outside here, drill through the pilot holes of the metal, then into the wood so it's got a nice bite on it, and then the Sikaflex should cover it nicely. So it should be nice and watertight. And then I can join my hoses to it, and that side of the plumbing's done. I've put the end on the toilet waste, so now it's coming up through the floor as well, ready for the toilet. So we're making some moves. which will be good. So I'll be able to put the toilet and the shower in hopefully soon. Alright guys, I'll get on to the rest of it now. Alrighty, so I've got some 70 by 35 timber, and I'm going to cut it in half. So I've got 35 by 35, or roughly it'll be a bit less than 35, but it'll be all ready, and that's what I'm going to use as my backing of the faceplate for the inlets. So one piece should be enough by the time I cut it in half to go around. Alright, so let's get stuck into it. Okay, now I've put the back battens on with liquid nails and just clamped them down for them to dry. I'll also have some ones going up in the middle as well, and that's what it looks like from behind. Once that's dried, then I'm going to clean up the edges, put some primer on there so no rust can get in, and then I can install the outlets. So it's all going good so far. G'day guys, I've just finished the water filler inlets for the bus. As you can see, there they are there. I'm really happy with the way they've turned out. As you can see, I've used this line here to make sure that they're level. The silicone or Sikaflex around it's turned out really well. I'm really happy with how it's turned out. Around the back of it, I haven't connected all the hoses as yet. I've got to get a couple of connections to join it to them. Other than that though, that'll be done this week. So these are all connected. Actually, while you're there, I'll just open it up and show you. Just bear with me a second guys. Got the keys here. So, there it is. That's the city water. That's just a normal inlet, and it's the same on this side as well. This is just the shower inlet and the breather. So that's just there. As you can see, it's not connected to anything at the moment. The other thing I'll show you, which will be one of the things we're doing this week, hopefully, is, wait for it, we got our toilet. Hoo-hoo! So we're getting closer now to starting putting things in. This is a macerating toilet, and I'll make a video on this as I get to install that. I've got to install the plumbing and all that, but hopefully that's this week's project, or the week after, but it'll be coming soon, so I'll be able to show you how my macerating toilet is all plumbed in. So stay tuned for that. And remember guys, if you're enjoying these videos, make sure you subscribe and you hit the like button for us, because it helps us out with YouTube. And we had a exciting milestone. We reached over 200 subscribers, so I'm pretty happy with that. So if you know of anybody that hasn't subscribed yet, please do that for us. That'd be wonderful. Otherwise, just keep enjoying our videos as we make them of our build. As you can see, our bus is getting there slowly. And guys, thanks for all your feedback and your comments, and I hope your builds are going great as well. Anyway guys, till next week, have a good week, and we'll talk to you then. Bye for now.